Bitcoin still shaky below $64,000 days ahead of halving. Bitcoin's price movements continued to be quite underwhelming as the asset failed to overcome the $64,000 level and has remained just below it. Bitcoin's uncertainty continues today. Bitcoin dropped 4% and just above $60,000, while Ether fell 4% and Solana dropped 7%. Here are the main two reasons that caused the crypto market red. The first one is Iran attack on Israel over the weekend, and it caused the people feel fear and sell off. The second one is that Fed Chair Jay Powell said yesterday that inflation is persisting and signaled that the central bank is not ready to cut interest rates. Because these two main reasons, people feel fear and bearish trend will continue for a few days. On the other hand, the Bitcoin halving is just 2 days away. Let's watch what Anthony Pompliano say about market and Bitcoin halving.
Talking about Bitcoin is crashing to $64,000 was a dream just a few years ago. So we're up significantly. Since the last halving to today, about 4 years, we're up 800%. So it's been incredible performance. This year to date, it's about 40%.
Pompliano also said the reason behind the last weekend's crypto sell-off.
Gold's up 7%, year to date, and in the last 5 years, it's only up about 11%. You actually have lost purchasing power if you've held gold over the last 5 years. Inflation has outpaced gold's performance. So the whole narrative of gold protects your purchasing power is now been debunked, right? For the last 5 years, that's not true. Bitcoin has. So when we start talking about this price run up, that 40% increase to start the year, all of a sudden, why is the price going up? ETFs are a huge piece of it. Also, I think people leading into the halving, that's a big piece of it. But the government has decided we are going to debase the currency, right? And I think that now the world has understood the United States has a debt problem and we're going to debase the currency. So there's some of that going on. So whenever there's a moment of fear, right, everyone panics. And what do? They still buy dollars. And so some people are selling because of that. The second thing is on the weekend, even though the Bitcoin market is open, the bank system is not open. And so you can't get net new dollars into your crypto account to buy Bitcoin.
The primary cryptocurrency went through a highly violent weekend in which it first slumped by $6,000 on Friday evening to $65,000 before another decline drove it south to just over $61,000 a day later. Both of these collapses were blamed on external events like the U.S. Fed's most recent comments and Iran's retaliation against Israel. Bitcoin started to recover some ground on Sunday and Monday morning and jumped to just over $67,000. However, that was short-lived, and the cryptocurrency started losing value almost immediately. In 2022, Russia-Ukraine war, very similar case happened like today. Crypto and stock market crashed for a few days, then went back to normal. I hope crypto will go back to normal after Bitcoin halving. Please subscribe to Crypto Weekly channel if you want to watch crypto analysis and update news.